Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. In today's episode of Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Air Force One Mid Cork. Now if you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. I upload every Saturday, and with that being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about the shoe before I get into it, like I always do. This is the Air Force One Mid Cork, which released back in July 2015 and retailed for 95 Great British pounds. As you can see, it comes in its generic grey Nike Air box. Here you've got the label here, so on that. So colourway wise, it's neutral, black and bright crimson. And yeah, it's a generic run-of-the-mill grey box like I was saying, so let's get into it a bit more. As you know, I don't store my shoes with the paper, so that's why it's not in here. It would have come with your generic Air Force One paper, so nothing special to sing and dance about there at all. Getting into the shoe a little bit, as you can see, it's a wicked shoe. These are absolutely shot up in value recently. I think I saw this size here, which is a UK 10. For dead stock, they want £450 for it, which I think you're reaching a bit trying to get £450 for a shoe that was originally £95. But you know, we all know the sneaker market can be a crazy place, so who knows, maybe they are worth that. Getting into it a bit anyway, so you've got this sort of nice nubuck black swoosh on here, sort of with the whole cork upper that you can see. These are laced differently. Back in 2015 when I picked these shoes up, I must have thought that was a nice way to lace them. But yeah, I've kept them like that because it's sort of the way how I had them back then. Like I say, so you've got the cork going around the whole upper with the nice black laces. You've got these sort of vibrant, bright crimson orange accents to it, with like sort of like on the end here, on the tongue going around the sides of it, along with the Nike Air labelling on the tongue as well. On the sides you've got this sort of normal neutrally white midsole with this again bright crimson orange outsole, which really does set this shoe off. It's a really nice shoe, and I mean, I'm a massive fan of cork uppers anyway, so I was always going to like these. We've also got a nice little mini swoosh just on the toe box there, which I think is a nice little touch as well. And your generic Nike Air branding on the back heel there. The insoles on these are carrying on with that bright crimson theme, very bright orange in there. Excuse the sellotape over what would have been the Nike sign. People who collected sneakers back in the day might know about it, but people used to put sellotape over the the Nike Air on the insoles to stop it rubbing off when you're wearing it. And I stupidly done that, and now if you try and take the tape off, it peels it off. So it's literally done the opposite of what it was meant to do. So don't do that, people. Just wear your shoes and enjoy them. I think the take home from that. You've also got this mini swoosh here on the buckle that holds down the strap normally. No differences between the shoes. They are the same. Nothing more to say there. So with that being said, let's jump onto some on foot. Okay, so that just about sums up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me massively with growing the channel. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video.